Hello everyone. Today I'm starting to sprout potato seeds using a simple and natural trick, fresh aloe vera. This method can help support stronger root growth and healthier sprouts, making it an easy and practical way to grow potatoes right at home. Have you tried growing this plant before? Share your experience in the comments below. Reusing old paint buckets to grow potatoes is a simple and practical gardening method. The containers help save space, make it easier to control soil quality and drainage, and keep the plants organized. It also reduces waste by giving used materials a second life, while still allowing potato plants to grow strong and produce a good harvest. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel for more simple and useful gardening tips. When potato sprouts grow to about 10-20 centimeters tall, it is the most suitable time to begin feeding the plants. I use organic fertilizers that are rich in nutrients and environmentally friendly to support healthy growth. In addition, adding more soil around the base can help the roots grow stronger and provide extra natural nutrients for the developing tubers. Using chicken eggs when caring for potato plants can provide natural nutrients for the soil. As the egg slowly breaks down, it can release calcium and other minerals that help support root development and stronger plant growth. This simple method can also improve soil fertility and help potato plants grow healthier over time. Potatoes are usually ready for harvest in about 2 months. During this time, I gently dig into the soil to check the potatoes and begin harvesting when they are fully developed. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves gardening too. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next tips, experiments, and harvest updates.